Cantik banget my suami di perjalanan Cah, keren tenan cah. Heh? Heeh. Ya aku kudu mlaku montore ra kuat le munggah. Ning terbayar tenan iki, keren. Iki rung tekan nggone aku wis kudu mlaku maning. Gunungnya. Kita harus di bawah ini. Embung Manajar.
Somebody told me that it's over. I know it's true. You made me happy for a while. I remember fleeting times when we stepped on top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too. I remember fleeting times when we watched the sparks so far. Now I don't know you, you don't know. Stand out from the crowd and maybe you would notice me. Then our eyes would meet, I would feel my heart beat when you looked and smiled at me. Back then our love was so strong, we wanted this to go on, but now it's only